Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Transit custom door panel. First, gather your essential tools, including a plastic trim removal kit, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle's ignition is completely off and the windows are fully down for safety. Take a moment to visually inspect the door panel, identifying all visible screws and clips before you begin the removal process. Next, we move on to detaching the various fasteners. Begin by gently prying off any small trim covers or caps that might be hiding screws, often found near the door handle or armrest. Once exposed, remove all screws. There are usually between 3 and 5 of them. Then, using your plastic trim tool, carefully work your way around the panel's edges, releasing the many plastic clips that hold it firmly in place. With the main fasteners removed, gently pull the door panel slightly away from the door frame. This action provides access to the internal components. Carefully disconnect all electrical connectors, such as those for the window switches, mirrors, and speakers, by pressing their release tabs. Finally, release the door handle cable and any other mechanical linkages by unhooking them from their mounting points on the panel. For the final step, carefully lift the entire door panel upwards and away from the door frame. It should now be completely free. Before setting it aside, quickly inspect the back of the panel and the door itself for any overlooked attachments or broken clips. Store the removed panel in a safe, clean area, perhaps on a soft cloth, to prevent any scratches or damage while you complete your work.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.